Good evening. This evening we're going to be talking about a platform that teachers can use to help find lesson plans called BetterLesson. Now, this is the homepage for BetterLesson, and they have some professional development stuff as well. And it talks about some different things that they have, workshops, etc. But what we're really interested in are the lesson plans. Now, I am an ELA teacher, so I'm going to go to the ELA. Now, I do have some students in one of my classes that I pull stuff from 4th and 5th grade for, but the majority of my students are in the 9th and 10th grade category. So let's pick a category of language, right? And it comes up with the different standards. So whichever standard you're trying to address tells you how many lessons there are for that. So let's click on knowledgeable language, and it will give you a list of various lessons and unit plans. Let's do how to read Shakespeare. Click on that, and it tells you the objectives and the big idea. And it has the teacher's reflection on how it worked for them and what they did. With all of these lessons, all of the worksheets are linked. You can download and print them. And for this lesson plan, I read Othello, and it gives you one of the Act 1, Scene 1, and some questions for that. Again, you can download and print all of these worksheets that go with the lesson plan. Then it will have, sometimes the teachers will post a video talking about how they did the lesson and what worked for them and what didn't work for them. There's also, they'll include the PowerPoints that they used for the lesson. You can download and use those as well. In the bottom, there will be at least 3 related lessons. So if you are looking for something to do other than the lesson you chose or in addition to, and then you can go to the next lesson, and this is the second day of reading Othello and her lesson plan, complete with all the worksheets and reflections and instructions on how to use this material. And if you like it, you can add it to your favorites. You can also print the lesson directly from here, and it will bring up this sheet that you can just print and refer to. And that is BetterLesson. There's a lot of great stuff here. You can sort by unit. These are all of the units that she did, 18 units. And because sometimes one unit will flow to another, so you can see how the teachers are this and the various lessons that are included in this unit. You can go back and forth between them, however you want to do it. That is BetterLesson. It's a really great resource for finding lesson plans, especially for multiple age levels or reading specialties. It really concentrates on reading and math. So if you teach other subjects, then there may be some things. There's science as well. That's an overview of BetterLesson. Have a good evening.